In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Vagaro business account in this full 2025 guide. If you've decided that it's time to say goodbye to your Vagaro account, the first step involves reaching out to Vagaro's customer support. This is the most direct and efficient way to ensure your account is completely deleted. The support team is equipped to guide you through the necessary steps. Although, bear in mind, it might involve a bit of back and forth communication, as reported by a user on Reddit who went through a similar process. Once you've initiated contact with support, it's crucial to address any active subscriptions linked to your account. This step cannot be skipped, as these subscriptions, whether they are memberships or paid features like marketing services, must be cancelled before proceeding with the account deletion. Failure to do so can complicate the deletion process, as other users have shared from their experiences. Equally important is backing up any vital data before the deletion is set in motion. Make sure to save critical information such as client records, appointment history, and financial data, as Vagaro will not be able to retrieve any of this once the account is wiped from their system. This preventive measure safeguards your business information, ensuring you don't lose essential data in the transition process. After confirming that all active subscriptions have been canceled and your data is securely backed up, circle back to Vagaro support to finalize the account deletion. It's wise to request written confirmation from them, solidifying that your deletion request has been fully processed. This can prevent any future misunderstandings or issues from arising. As you move forward, be aware that deleting your account will likely erase all related client data and booking history. Communication with your clients is key here. Inform them of any necessary changes or rebookings through another platform if needed. For those who have integrated Vagaro with other services such as payment processors or marketing tools, ensure these integrations are severed to prevent unintended charges or data complications. Lastly, brace yourself for any unexpected fees, particularly if your account was part of a contract for specific services. While some have reported encounters with such fees, having full clarity on your service agreements can aid in avoiding surprises as you navigate this transition. By taking these steps with care and attention, you'll be able to successfully delete your Vagaro business account while simultaneously preserving important information and maintaining smooth operations for your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide facilitated a hassle-free account deletion process for you.